Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the chrome to determine how deep the bubbling goes and whether the base metal is corroded. Once you know the extent, make sure you have 8400 grit sandpaper, a safe chemical stripper, and a rust neutralizer. Begin by isolating the part and removing loose chrome with a quick scuff in the bubbled zones. This reveals adhesion issues underneath. While you work, keep ventilation on and protect yourself. This avoids inhaling fumes and prevents spreading contamination to other surfaces. You now remove remaining plating and old coatings. Apply a chemical stripper in a thin layer, wait the recommended time, then agitate and rinse. This lifts most chrome quickly. Once freed, sand progressively with 120 then 220 grit to reach clean metal and feather edges. That restores adhesion. If rust appears, apply a neutralizer and allow full drying. Moisture ruins new finishes. Finally, wipe with a solvent wipe, so the surface is thoroughly clean and ready for repair or priming. You finish by repairing and protecting the bare metal. Press epoxy metal filler into any pitting, sand smooth to 400 grit, then apply a high-adhesion primer. Once primed, either send the part for professional rechroming or use a chrome look top coat in multiple thin layers for durable visual repair. Allow full cure between coats and final bake or room cure per product. If bubbling reappears, make sure there was no trapped moisture or oil under the coating. Restrip and start again if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.